it's cold in here. Ooh, can't wait to get that power on. Man. Alright. Look like they in the basement. Woo! What's happening? El Hermoso. These low ceilings, man. Okay, got the box over here. New box here. But that one's already wired. Brought the recess lights and put them upstairs. I put the recess lights upstairs. Whew.
Instalé las luces empotradas en la planta de arriba.
Okay, awesome. Okay. Yep. Okay. Woo. All right. Can't wait to get the heat on, man. It is cold in here, boy. This reminds me of one time when I was younger, and they DTE. They had cut the power off because the dang on light bill had got up to like $1,600, and they was like, man, we tried everything. Had to get the had them keep the lights in the cause they had cut it off already actually, but we tried everything to get them to cut it back on, and they would not budge. They was like, we need a deposit of $850. I mean, my mama was like, I ain't got no $850. Nah, obviously ain't had $850. And this is how it looked. This is how it was in the house. We had about 15 blankets on the laid on the couch. 15 blankets, cold as hell. Man. Crazy. And then we stayed there for probably like a week before it was like, all right, it's time to go, man. Gotta figure something else out. The good old days. The times that build character, as they say. Need help up, brother, man? Got it? You athletic? You can tie your shoes up, bro. That's what you need to do.
Amigo.
Sir.
Órale, dale, adiós.
Looking good.
Bueno, ¿qué pasó? ¿Qué tú eres, el patrón?
There's still no AC or anything.
Ain't nothing, bro. We just ain't got power yet.
So short.
Alright, got one recess light. Should have been like 3 up there. What's going on, brother? Oh, yeah, actually, it's 3, but should put more over here.
This upstairs is like a rural area.
So it expanded out, make it bigger, and make the hallway bigger, so it'll be a nice, better space. You feel me?
Yeah, right now it just looks like a trap house. So.
It is. You need to tie your shoes up. You want me to hold that so you can do it? Because you're looking a little rough out here. Nice shoes. How much them cost?
I can't. It's gonna crease.
Nigga, if you don't tie your shoe, you can't bend down, touch your toe. This nigga said it's gonna crease. They're gonna have to crease eventually.
It costs like $30.
Yeah, okay.
What?
And somebody owed me $130.
But they costed 30.
Yeah, I gave you 160.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. What you talking about? You wanna see my cash app? Or Zelle? I'm tripping. That's the door out here. Alright. Got the looking good. Got the good lights. The locks. Cheap stuff, you feel me? Back. Here. Alright, the new electrical box. Feel me?
What even is that? You ever figured that out?
What?
Why they have like a dog barking video?
What has a who? What?
Like a dog barking video.
Oh, I don't know, but I haven't heard it since that day. Yo. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yep. Let's go. I got a house I want to go see. It's nice.
Where is it?
Detroit. Huh?
Yeah, finish. Electric.
Oh, you done?
Yes,
Oh,
finish
cool.
electric.
Awesome.
Okay, my friend.
All right now. Tell all right, I'll call Flores.
That's a good room here. This is like a living room
I see lights.
or open space setup.
Excuse me.
Kitchen.
Oh, it wasn't on? It worked? Hey. All right. Okay, so this is what I want you to give me a price for.
Okay.
I'm gonna put a wall. Okay, I'm gonna put a wall right here, and then an opening, and I'm gonna close this up because I'm gonna put a room right here. So anyway, this is gonna be a wall, and then
Okay. Close this one and open the new door there.
yes, and I'm gonna put a hallway or right here, and then an opening to go to the kitchen, and then it's gonna be like a wall here, and then you go in the door,
Okay.
and the door gonna be right here for the bathroom.
Let's go here and make it this way.
No,
The
we're
door
gonna put the wall all the way through, and then
the
it's gonna
way
be an
through.
opening here.
Also okay.
You want to make this another room?
So where you want to go here? Nothing.
Nothing here. This is gonna be the kitchen.
Is the kitchen.
You're gonna put a wall here,
Mhm.
and
You
then
trying to put another room here?
a room gonna be over here on
Well,
this
how's that
side.
gonna work for that room?
What do you mean? How's it gonna work?
They would have to go through somebody else's room to get out.
What?
You said you're putting another room here?
No, here. Closing this up. That's gonna be a wall, It's gonna be closed up here. They're gonna put a wall right here, and it's gonna stop on the other side of this window, so it'll be a room, a fourth room.
So one room here, open over there.
You're gonna have to draw that for me.
Yep. You get what I'm saying?
You want to use the kitchen? The kitchen, where is the door for the kitchen? You want the wall all the way. You want another open here?
Yeah, opening. Yeah.
Open here and the door is go here
Yeah.
for the bathroom. Okay. I got it.
I like the amount of space that it is
But
right
it's
now
just not
because
a single family house. It's a rooming house, so the
I
space
understand what
don't
you-
matter.
Can I finish talking?
Mhm.
I like the amount of space that's here right now because in a rooming house, there's not that many common areas. And then what's upstairs again?
A huge room.
That's the bathroom.
How do I change the color to white?
I change it.
Huh?
I put it, I have one switch in the top.
It's a switch on there?
Yeah, I have one switch in the light.
Oh, so I can change it to white?
Yeah, white. So you want everything.
Yeah, I want
dark?
every white. Yeah. Okay.
That one,
Yeah.
put in everything.
I don't like the yellow. The yellow look
No,
depressing.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's moving that. Yeah, I have a small switch in the side.
Okay. And
So I have it like
yeah, I like it like that.
six or seven colors.
Damn. You got
Yeah,
6 or
I have
7
like
colors?
6 or 7.
I got them pretty cheap. I got all those lights for $80.
$80.
Amazon.
Also, only I have it those two colors, this one and that one.
Mhm.
Because the $15, I have like 7 different colors.
Yeah, that's cool.
I have only 2, that one and that one.
All right.
Putting everything white.
All the rest of the stuff gonna stay the same. Just finish the drywall, the ceiling drywall. Drywall in here. Up there. Over here.
There's no way to make another room upstairs.
Era before, doing insulation, no insulation, these walls.
It's a lot of unused space.
The size, I need insulation. This one.
Oh, ain't no
that
insulation?
That one, look in the empty.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
empty, look.
What is this? That's what this is?
This is for upstairs.
What is that?
I like insulation.
Oh, it was the old
Yeah.
installation?
No, that's not this. That's like.
Hmm.
There's no insulation.
So I gotta get the spray kind?
Maybe spray cans. Or...
Yeah, the spray insulation, because you don't want to take down all them slats.
Okay.
That's too much work.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
So just spray the insulation in there. The
Okay.
foam or whatever.
Okay.
Because it's probably not in none of these walls, man. I don't know.
So probably you need in this room different lights or the same light, but
You can just add one or two.
maybe like another 2. So you want to close here. It's only one light is not
yeah.
the center. So maybe I need like another light, 2 lights more.
Probably 2, yeah.
Yeah, because I need to close here. So the light is not in the center.
And you want this to be a hallway?
Yeah.
So that may mean the room is very tiny.
It's gonna be the same size as this one.
I want to see the.
How far is it gonna stretch back?
It's gonna stop right here.
Past the window.
Probably like right in the middle.
There.
And then go that way. And then you have all this for common area space. All over here. Because what's the purpose of having all this space? They don't, that's going to
So
be,
dining, a place to eat and a place to sit. There's no dining area.
you can eat over there.
That's the
And
kitchen.
first of all, it's a rooming house. They ain't going to be eating together. They're going to eat in their room.
I don't know who get along with people.
Well, I can't assume they are, though. Most people, I'm going off what's already working. They eat in their room. They don't just sit around at the table with a bunch of strangers eating. Now, if it was a single family house, I would obviously keep all this open and tear that wall down and open up the whole thing. If it was, if I'm flipping it, but different purpose. And I'm putting room in the basement. But I'm just worried about the drywall in the wall right now because I'm on a budget. And upstairs too. You see upstairs, like all the walls up there? Probably tear this down. Oh, and I'm close this up.
You want to close this one too?
Yeah. Cause I think it'll be in the way of the tub. Yeah, all this need to be drywall.
Yeah, the whole thing, all the way.
And then if is it possible to widen this up a little, or no?
Yes, if you want to maybe take this one out.
Well, yeah, I gotta go.
We're gonna take everything out.
I don't know if it's a floor though.
Like one of the floor.
See, the floor is up higher.
The floor here. Not
Yeah.
too much, maybe like 1 foot, 16 inches because I covered the pipe.
Yeah, like a foot. Yeah, foot and a half.
Right here.
Mm-hmm. These lights work? Hey. Okay. Where's the little thing you was talking about?
You need to open the hole. Oh, it's on the top.
Oh, it's on the little box.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Shoot, that one little light kind of bright. So this one little light is kind of bright.
Yeah.
Brightens up the whole area.
Yeah, how it is.
Yeah, it's kind of bright for one light. Oh, this one too? I didn't see this one. Oh no, this one don't work.
No, I think it is one.
Must be back here.
There for the hallway.
Or no switch. Yeah, you're gonna have to put a switch, I guess. Up top, it's cold.
Let me see that. We have another switch.
Is it ain't none at the bottom? Maybe they not, maybe they. Yeah, I don't see no other switch. Oh, nope, that's it. So you probably got to connect them.
Yeah, maybe this guy forgot.
It's an animal up here somewhere. See poop everywhere. Yeah, raccoons. Huh? Yeah, he didn't change the light switches. Yeah, it's cool. Ain't no big deal. All right, amigo, it's cold. Finally got some lights. Now I gotta do the plumbing. Actually, let's go to the basement right quick. I ain't go to the basement. Definitely gotta change these steps too. This mouse is horrible. Did good on the electron. All right, let's go. Flores, you up down here?
Okay, yeah, so I'm waiting for my friend. You want to go? I'm waiting for my friend.
Okay, yeah, I gotta go see another house.
Okay.
Just cut all these lights off. I don't want nobody to know it's lights on.
When I leave, let me put them back, everything back.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yep.
I'm waiting for this guy and I call you back in a little minute. Okay?
Okay. Yep. Just let me know what the how much it's gonna be.
Okay.
This stuff. Oh, okay. Let me strip inside. Alrighty. Ooh, it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold. Very cold.
Oh, here.
Yeah, I'm waiting for. Yeah, put in the kitchen.
Oh, put in the box?
Here, I'm waiting for this guy. Yeah.
All right.
My body guy.
Yep.